Hey everybody, hope you're doing well. Today we're actually about to get a brand new hair system. So I'm going to be taking you in a second to walk you through the journey, I guess. But today we're actually going to be going a little longer with the hair system. I'm trying to grow out my hair, do it tastefully, unlike I've done in the past. So pretty exciting stuff. Let me know as the video progresses what you think about the final look. If you think that I should keep going longer, if you think I should keep going shorter, all that kind of stuff. But let's just hop right in there. Let's talk about the system after, the specifics of it, what I got for glues, adhesives, all that fun stuff, and we'll have some thoughts after. Catch y'all soon.
And here we are, guys. This is the after effect. I'm about to do a quick 360 for you, but some details. I'm wearing a 0.03 millimeter thin skin poly unit all around, and this is a little bit longer of a hairstyle. We're growing all of my hair out, trying to go for a longer look, which I'm just super stoked on. I think it's going to be fun to do this in phases and make it look natural. So this is my before, and here we are now. So I'm going to give you a quick turnabout. So as you can see, I got a little bit more weight through the sides and up top. And this is day 2 with the hair system. So there's still some bounce. It's still relaxing, which is a normal part of the process. I got to tell you, yesterday, when I came home with the hair system, it was pretty voluminous. It was, there was too much hair. Like I felt like I had a mushroom top, and as of now, it's starting to relax after a wash or two into a much more manageable style. So I get a lot of people that when they first get their hair system, they're like, man, I'm not happy with it. It's too much hair. It's too bouncy, all that kind of stuff. If you want to get rid of it immediately, you can wash your hair like twice. Wash your hair, dry it, wash your hair again, and it'll make some of that go away. Make sure you use shampoo, condition it. Conditioning, I think, adds a little bit of weight to the hair too, so I think that helps kind of reduce some of the bounciness that it gets right away, but it will calm down. So ultimately, the goal is really to grow out the hair over the next, many months and get it. Man, I don't even know, but I want to get like a little bit of a lax bro flow going on in the back, kind of through the ears. I don't think it'll get probably much longer in the front. Maybe it'll kind of like sweep down, but it's not going to be super crazy long. But I'm excited about it. Let me know what you guys think of this right here. If you think it's good style, bad style, worst style, best style, all that kind of fun stuff. If you want to emulate it, all that kind of stuff, let me know. I'll catch you soon.